Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Blurry on Gmail app. To know how to fix or how to solve Blurry on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Gmail app and you will click here. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.